Sometimes it's good to remember why the app was invented in the first place, and that's really to analyze data. So, a really easy way to use it in the classroom is after you do a science experiment or you generate data of any kind for math, or you're analyzing a demographic table for history, or it's Halloween and everyone sorts candy and you want to see which type of candy they have the most of or whatever. You can turn anything into a data analysis moment. So I just made up this data. It's terrible. It's not accurate. Don't judge me. I pretended I dropped these objects from 18 inches and I did 5 trials to see the heights of their first bounce. So I can record this. You could have the kids generate their own table, but remember, if you highlight the data and you go to the Explore option, it'll generate some things for you. So, like for example, this one is an analysis. It literally graphed all 4 trials for you, and I'm like, yep, insert that chart. Let's do that. And so now that chart is nested right underneath. So the students, and I can even put it side by side if I wanted, so it's a little easier to look at. So just like that, now I have easy data for our kiddos to look at. Then they can easily say, okay, well, which one bounced the highest? And it's not surprising. The Super Bowl is the one who consistently wins, and baseball is the least. And you can go through it any number of ways. You can insert other charts. If I go back to Explore, I can do one trial. So for trial 1, this is how it looks for trial 1. Super ball versus rubber ball versus baseball. So we, especially in kindergarten where they might not be so adept at drawing straight lines and shading, it might take forever. You can by all means, but if you wanted to just do a quick and dirty thing, this will generate so many graphs for you, and you can talk about the data, and you didn't have to get everyone's colored pencils and rulers out to do it. Just an idea.